Hi guys, I know I'm looking crazy, but in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I use this and this for the perfect wash and go. Let's find out. If you're interested in that video, then please keep watching. So starting right off, I already sectioned off my hair and I deep conditioned with my OG deep conditioner. Everybody knows, or I mentioned it in my last video where I just used this right here, which is the Curls Sea Moss Collection Sea Slip Mineral Infused Curl Slime. So if you have not seen that video, please go check that out. But I am about to use this product in addition to the mousse or the foam, the Nourish and Shine Sea Moss foam, because in the last video I felt like my roots were puffy. And then just now I'm just going to give a recap of like how my hair felt with that product, and so it felt really good, honestly. And I'm going to use my Tangle Teaser for this. My hair is already detangled, but it's always good to have your hair fully detangled when doing a wash and go. But yeah, so my hair turned out great with this. It was moisturized. I kept it in for like a week or maybe even two, but I did notice I put too much product. So there were little balls of product on my hair after a while. So not immediately, but I would say after 5 days or so, I would see some little, I'd say that they were white, but they were like clear balls. And I don't know where that's coming from. Again, this is the consistency of the product. And it looked like this, but I went with it because it didn't look crazy. But I probably just put too much product in my hair, I'm assuming. But the crazy part is this looks like, well, no, my roots are still like puffy a little bit. But I'm about to use the mousse, the foam, and I got this foam for $7.99 at Marshall's. I wasn't expecting to find this. I wasn't expecting to find it at all. I didn't go looking for it, but when I was just shopping, I found it. And so I was like, this is a perfect time to get it. I don't know what it regularly is. The first time I got it, it was on, and so I'm using 2 pumps. And what I'm trying to do is just tame my tame the roots, but I'm dragging it down like all of my hair. And with this mousse, it doesn't seem like you have to shingle, but I guess I will anyway. But yeah, I feel like it just needed a little something at the root to kind of like smooth it down. Now, I don't know. I hope that that's the case because it looks good right now. It really does. First impression, I think my thoughts were right about using the slime with the foam. And again, I like this slime anyway, but it definitely needs the leave-in. I like the foam anyway, but it definitely needs the leave-in with it. I've tried it by itself and it just, for me and my hair, didn't work out. But I have a playlist, a curls hair care playlist. if you want to see how these products work. I bought the entire line. I think that's what I was saying, and then like lost train of my thought. But I purchased the entire line when CurlBox was still a thing, and I got the entire line, so you can hear my thoughts on everything. But yeah, I feel like it's doing a good job. And then I kept my deep conditioner in for like 2 days. So my hair is extremely moisturized, which you gotta love that. I'm just interested to see how this is going to work. I'm just really interested. And don't want to do too much, but I don't know. I want to still smooth everything. Yeah. Anyway, after this, I'm going to cut the camera and come back with you know, my hair complete or halfway. See, like, I don't know, I just feel like my roots are completely just, my hair is laying a bit different, and I'm just gonna get these ends. I definitely need a haircut, but we're not worrying about that right now. We are not worrying about that right now. But yeah, I'm loving the combo right now. And the weather is cool, 60s, 70s. So yeah, so this looks really good, right? I'm just going to wipe my hands and then finish my hair, and then I'll come back. So be back. Hi guys, so I'm back, and this is my hair, and it looks a little bit the same as this, but I feel a difference. I feel like it's going to be, my roots are tamed because of the foam. So again, I'm gonna be back. The real key is seeing how it does when it dries. So I'll show you how it is when it dries, obviously, but I'm gonna come back when it's completely done, just to see. But great application. Everything is everything, basically. So the key is to have a mousse or a foam to kind of like seal everything in. That's the thought. I never thought that I would use a gel and a mousse, but it's the first time for everything. Hi guys, so I'm finally done with my hair. I feel like it low-key looks the same as just using this without this, but I feel like there's a difference. So give me a minute, I will be back, but this is my hair wet. And low-key, I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to do this, but maybe I'll give 5 days in my wash and go, very quick, just a little short clip, less than a minute each of each day. So, because I'm gonna be out and about midweek, so yeah, and maybe tomorrow too. I don't know. I like to go walking if the weather is nice. So walking outdoors. Yeah. Anyways, so I will be back so you can see the dry results, but these are the wet results. Amazing. I don't know. I'm feeling the moisture. I'm feeling everything. So fingers crossed. Be back. Hi guys. So I probably was under the dryer for about 30 minutes. I think it's easier with mousse to dry your hair, and it just flows better. It's kind of like it's a lightness, it's a lightness to my hair. And I was about to say where with just the slime, it was still moisturized and still, but it's just a different like movement that the mousse will give my hair. And if you go back to my other video where I just used the slime, you'll be able to see, like even when I did this, you see some movement in my hair. So that's the one thing. So I would definitely recommend the combo as of now. I don't see any like flakes, any residue, anything. A healthy amount of just regular frizz, but I don't need to fluff out my hair. I don't need to do anything. I'm just going to, I think, pull it back or up. I don't know if I should do it up. Maybe like back like this. Maybe up. I'm trying not to crunch the curls. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and like and comment and save and share and all of the things. If you like this video, I'm going to do 5 days, I guess, in my wash and go. So day 1 right here, day 1, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Again, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I see the newbies. I see you. I see you. I see my oldie but goodie subscribers. I see you too. Thank you so much for rocking with me, and peace out.